Jika jiwa naida, jika lima ja, cuma jiwa ja. Labas kami, lakad-lakad laang dito sa Highwoods. Lalakay dyan. Huh? Dito ba yung kilala? Oo, yan yun.
Wait, that's a worm?
Slow worm, not snake. See something, nak? Medyo ano ngayon dito, madamo ngayon. Makapal ang mga puno ngayon. Ito pala pag summer. Lakad-lakad lang kami dito. Kung ano lang yung ano, ano lang kami ng hangin ng fresh air doon sa bata. Still remember? Oh, I missed it.
I saw a deer.
Deer. It's called a deer. How are you, my dear? Where are you? Ah, there it is. Yun. Ano, malayo. Ay, natakpan ng ano eh. Natakpan ng halaman. Yeah, you can do that. Yeah, just. Wow. Nice. Stand straight. You're not gonna fall. See? Told you eh. Jump up. Woohoo! Woohoo! Oh ho 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 ho! So, nilagyan nila ng ano. Hide and seek kami. Nahanap ako ni Jarrell ngayon. Ay, kunwari pa di ako nakita na ako.
Taguan, maliwanag ang buwan.
Nakit din? Look like?
It has like frogs.
Yeah. Pagod ka na oh.
I need to go. I want to go there.
Okay.
We should check them up.
Okay, let's go. What's that? Andyan lang yan. You know, doon tayo.
This way?
Yeah, that is just straight ahead. Yeah, lake. Sinalagyan nila ng ano yun, daanan. It's uphill. Let's go. Ito, kataas nga ito, oh. Taas. Pangawit. Namin yung pond na gusto ni Jarrell na makita. Puntaan daw namin. Masyadong malago ang mga puno ngayon. Yan o. Ano dyan? Common newt. Newt, it's newt.
Where's the Google Maps again?
Why?
I don't know.
Mali.
This is not the way. This is I can't see numbers.
Tsura mo, pawis ka na. Init kasi ngayon eh. I think that one. Yes, I remember now. The one that he said that there's a teenage boys playing here. And Jared wants to play here, but the teenage boys are here. Oh yeah, this is it. You remember? May naglalaro dyan na ano, mga bata na mga teenager na. Ayun o, meron siyang, ayun, anong ibon yan? Hello? Ayun, go there na, doon tayo, dito tayo na ko. Come here! Natakot ka na naman ang laki-laki nito. Oh. I think there's a crocodile here.
No.
Huh?
No.
What if there's crocodile? What's that? The bird. Ano? Lalakad lang sa tubig. Oh. Saka pa.
Because it's shallow. Shallow.
Merong fish dyan?
I don't know.
Let's find out. Kuha tayo ng ano, pamingwit. Gawa tayo ng pamingwit. So, sayang, wala kaming ano eh, pamingwit eh. Tingnan sana natin kung may isda dito eh.
What is that bird?
Uwi na kami. Medyo ano rin. Ayos na yun. Nakailang oras na rin kami dito. Naglakad-lakad. Tapos naglaro-laro kami ni Bornok.
The spiky bits.
So, see you again next time. Laki ni Pang. So, see you again sa susunod naming video. Kita-kita tayo. Okay, see you sa aming next video. Kita-kita ulit tayo. And kung nagustuhan niyo ang video na to, please like and pag di pa subscribe na sa aming channel ni Jarel Pot. And see you. Bye-bye.